Welcome to Palms Auto Sales. And here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with suspension package, 6-speed automatic transmission, cloth seating, and much more. Since 2011, family-owned Palms Auto Sales has been providing quality vehicles at affordable prices. We take pride in our deep-rooted commitment to our customers. When you work with us, you become part of our extended family. We are one of the largest dealers in the area specializing in commercial trucks and vans. If we don't have it, we find it for you. So give us a call or stop by Palms Auto Sales today.